When used, the word desert often conjures up images of massive sand dunes made of golden sands, of camels bumpily walking towards the horizon, of colorfully clad men and women going about their chores, of bonfires at night, of starry skies. Seldom do these images sketch the salty white desert of India that are relatively much less traveled by travelers. Despite being equally, it's not less romantic than the great Rajasthani desert. On the edge of western India, a pure white desert seems to simmer under the blazing sun. This is the Great Rann of Kutch, home to India's largest salt marsh in the third desert in the Kutch district of the westernmost state of Gujarat. It lies between Gujarat in India and the Sindh province in Pakistan. It is about 7,500 square km in the area and is reputed to be one of the largest salt deserts in the world. This area has been inhabited by the Kutchi people. The Rann of Kutch is the largest Ramesar site in Sindh, covering 13,99,540 acres. Besides, in 1980, the Ramesar site was also declared a wildlife sanctuary by the Sindh government. This sanctuary is supporting nature's richest ecosystem. It provides food and shelter to a number of migratory and local wildlife species. Rann means desert in Hindi, which in turn is derived from the Sanskrit word Irina, which also means desert. Situated about 130 km from Ahmedabad, the Rann of Kutch is a seasonal salt marsh. It is also the land of the Agarias, traditionally salt farmers, who have lived here for centuries, working every day under a scorching sun from October to June. The Agarias harvest 75% of India's total salt produce. During the monsoon months, the Rann of Kutch is submerged in seawater. The Agarias move in and begin the elaborate process of salt farming. Centuries ago, the Rann of Kutch was part of the sea until an earthquake turned the export seabed into sprawling desert. Today, it is a vast expanse of arid land, devoid of habitation, stretching out to the Arabian Sea, which is just 10 km away. The Rann of Kutch is also famous for its Rann Utsav. The Rann Utsav takes place during the winter months, from October to February. This is really the best time to visit Rann of Kutch, when the weather is pleasant and perfect for sightseeing, and it is totally safe for girls to visit Rann of Kutch or even any remote part of Kutch, because Kutch has very low crime rate, and plus people of Kutch are very helpful. If you stuck anywhere, then you can ask them for help and they will be willing to help you. The best approach to reach Rann of Kutch is via Bhuj. Dhorjo is the gateway to the Rann. Nearest airport or railway station to Kutch is in the city of Bhuj. Then hire a cab from Bhuj to reach Rann of Kutch. If you want to see the incredible India's totally different look, then you should definitely go to the Great Rann of Kutch.